Hello again, welcome to my channel Lucky Bamboo. Today we're gonna do a bitter melon stuff with ground pork soup. So a bitter melon stuff with ground pork soup. What I have here is 5 bitter melons. Well, bitter melon is many people might not like it. It's an acquired taste. It's pretty bitter. It's a tropical or subtropical plant that grow on a vine. So it's pretty bitter. But if you get used to eating it, you probably like it. I got here a 1.1 pound of ground pork, and I got some spring onion, green onion, and this is vermicelli bean thread. Vermicelli bean thread. I got 1 bundle of that. And okay, let's prepare the vegetable. I'm gonna cut the bitter melon into maybe 3, so that we can stuff the. I cut the bitter melon into 3 pieces, and so we can stuff the pork, ground pork inside there. So, but they have to scoop out the inside part right here. See the seed, and that's the part that we don't want to eat. So just take a spoon and scoop it all out. There's a lot of seed and fiber inside here. Just scoop it all out. Okay, like that. Okay, before we go to that, this is the vermicelli bean thread right here. I'm gonna soak it in hot water a little bit, warm water basically. Just soak it for a couple minutes. All right, just soak it in warm water a little bit. Shouldn't take long. Okay. Okay, I take all the core out from the bitter melon. It's look like this, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna boil water in a pot and bring it to just bring it to a boil. We're gonna blanch the bitter melon a little bit. Just not cook it, just blanch it a little bit. Take all that bitterness out. Just blanch it for a couple minutes. We're not going to cook it. Just take the rawness out of the, not the rawness, take the bitterness out of the. Alright, after I blanch it for about 2 minutes, I just take it out. Okay. Now let's prepare all the other ingredients. You want it really finely chopped. Okay. One other ingredient I forgot to mention is dry shrimp. Dry shrimp, you gotta grind that up a little bit and put into the ground pork. Let's grind up the ground pork, That's it. Alright, all grind up like this. And now let's mix up all the ingredients. Ground pork in there. The bean thread has all been soaked in water for 2-3 minutes already. Just pour out the water. Take all the water out. Squeeze it out. Alright, squeeze all the water out from the bean thread and just pieces. Just cut into a like that. Put the green onion back in there. Put the ground up dry shrimp in there. Put maybe a tablespoon of cornstarch in there. Ground pepper. I got here a white ground pepper. I don't have the black one. Just put some. Maybe one teaspoon of salt. And just use your hand. Just mix it up. Mix it up really good. Alright, I think it's good enough. And let's stuff the bitter melon. Right there. You just stuff it in. One. Alright, all the bitter melon been stuffed with the ground pork already, and let's start cooking. I put about 2.5 cups in a pot here and bring the water to a boil before I put the stuffed bitter melon in. Alright, I think water is coming to a boil already. We can just drop in the stuffed bitter melon. Just drop it in. There. Just let it cook about 15 to 20 minutes. and then we should be all done. Alright, after about 6-7 minutes of cooking, let's put some other ingredients in there. Put some salt, half a teaspoon of salt, just adjust as you go. Don't put too much salt yet. Half a tablespoon of sugar. Two tablespoons of soy sauce. You can always put some more if it's not salty. Alright, put some granulated chicken flavor soup base or chicken bouillon. Two teaspoons of that for flavor. Alright, let it cook some more. Cook another 15 more minutes. Alright, it's almost cooked now, and before we serve it, just put some chop up spring onion a little bit in there. Okay, and yeah, let's plate it up. Alright, this is the final product. This is bitter melon stuffed with ground pork soup. If you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button and give us a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you try this this recipe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.